The story of whatever you wish for.
Part 3. Being fed by the whole world.
With a selfish choice, Farah quickly reincarnated into a large family, with a history of 9 generations of begging, solely relying on the food and money of the world. Every morning, she and her siblings were given pieces of bread and fruits that others discarded by their parents. With still empty stomachs, they held hats embroidered with their names, setting out to beg in the capital. Without doing anything, Farah only needed to hold out her hat to receive food. Though not wealthy, surplus food and old clothes were never lacking. Farah often received attention in everything she needed, from money to food and clothing. She was always the most dazzling beggar in the area. Like that until old age. Every day she still trudged out with her hat, enjoyed begging until the age of 80. Before she died, memories of her previous life suddenly came back and appeared vividly in her mind. She prayed to the monk, eagerly waiting for his help. Bang! There was a loud bang, and the monk appeared in a cloud of smoke and spoke.
Buddhism has a saying, all happiness in the world comes from wishing happiness for others. All suffering in the world comes from wanting your own happiness. I made the choice to feed the whole world. It shall open the way for you to lead the life of a queen, ruling and taking care of a peaceful and prosperous country. If you knew how to think about others, you would have received this reward. Now do you want to practice and change your thinking?
Tears rolling down, Farah sobbed.
Monk, I am so poor in this life. I don't want to practice yet. I still hope that in my next life I will enjoy a full life and have things that even rich people dream of.
At the end of a hard life as a beggar, Farah still wished that in his next life he would have the things that even rich people dream of. So, what are the things that rich people also dream of?
We will post part 3 soon. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos.